A bill working to lower prescription drug prices was voted on in the Senate chamber this afternoon. KX News' Christina Randall has the results and reactions from those for and against the bill.
Final tally reveals 14 ayes, 33 nays, 0 not voting. Senate Bill 2031 has failed.
Disappointment filled the Senate chamber as Bill 2031 was voted down. The bill looked to address high prescription drug prices in the U.S. And AARP North Dakota volunteers testified in support of the bill.
I think it's disappointing, obviously. North Dakotans, in large part, spoke out and said they wanted the North Dakota legislature to act on prescription drugs.
The bill planned to do this by using a pricing system set internationally, which would allow states to import more affordable drug payment rates for Canada. But there is a problem with that.
The Canadian government that they are not able to provide drugs for us through importation. They are having enough of a struggle to get enough to get for their own citizens, and so it would be an unworkable solution.
Senators agreed that the price of medication in North Dakota is higher than they would like it to be. Josh Asvig, state director with AARP, says citizens are demanding action from lawmakers.
We shouldn't be paying the highest prescription drug prices in the world. We should be being able to afford our prescription drugs and not forcing people to have to make decisions between food and their prescriptions.
Which is why Asvig and other North Dakotans were hoping senators would see the importance of the bill.
Bill 2031 was probably the primary vehicle to really tackle, or at least start tackling, prescription drug pricing as part of it. And so I think it's always disappointing to see that go down.
Asvig says despite the disappointment, it's time to look towards the future.
We're going to continue to find ways to make sure that the North Dakota legislature understands prescription drugs are a problem, and they need to have a role in taking action to put downward pressure on prescription drugs.
Asvig says the next step now is letting their members know how the vote went down and continue to look for new solutions in prescription drug pricing. For KX News, I'm Christina Randall.
Asvig says the group will be asking opponents of Bill 2031 their thoughts and ideas on how they can fix the problem of drug pricing.